You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this phrase, this medical term, this disease. The British English pronunciation, in the UK, angina, so it's never angina, angina, angina. Now the Americans pronounce it more as angina. Could you hear the difference? Let me know. Then the second word is as pectoris, pectoris. It's more of a schwa sound than an O sound. It's pectoris. Some skip the second syllable here and say it almost as pectoris, okay, which is kind of fine too. Normally there's a T sound here. So, angina pectoris, or in American English, angina pectoris. Could you hear the difference? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Also let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.